One AI video got 70 million views, another one 40 million. And guess what? The channel has only 80 videos, but over 1.4 million subscribers and 320 million total views. These videos are emotional, dramatic, and impossible to stop watching, like this one. The poor little kitten was mocked by its friends because the cat has no better lifestyle like them. It's the kind of story that makes you feel something and keeps you watching till the very end. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make videos like this, even if you've never made one before. I'll also show you the best free AI tool to make 1080p videos with no limits. So if you want to start making viral, emotional videos that people love, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's create your first viral AI video together. But first, let me show you the video I just made. You're going to love it. First, go to the specific YouTube channel and take a screenshot of its shorts. Then, upload that screenshot into ChatGPT along with this prompt. I would like to produce animated short videos of this kind. Please provide me with 10 prompts featuring adorable characters that are realistic and similar to this example. Within a minute, ChatGPT will generate 10 perfect image prompts for your video based on the analyzed content. Once it's done, next, open your browser and search for Pick Lumen AI, then click the first result. When the tool interface appears, click on Generate for free. This AI tool is significantly better than many other image generation platforms because it offers multiple generation options and produces high-resolution images. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt it generated. Return to Pick Lumen AI, paste the copied prompt into the input box. On the right side, locate the ratio option, click on it, and set the ratio to 9:16. In the image per batch setting, select one. Click on Create, and within seconds, you'll receive an amazing high-quality image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, return to Pick Lumen AI, paste it, and repeat the same steps. Continue this process for all 10 image prompts in the exact same way. After generating all the images, simply download each one individually to your device. This way, you'll have all 10 high-quality images ready for your project. Once you've downloaded all your generated images, let's move on to the second step, creating a high-quality video using a 100% free AI tool with no credit limits. Start by opening your browser and searching for ChatGLM, then click on the first link that appears. Alternatively, you can directly access the website using the link I've provided in the description. Once you land on the AI tool's homepage, you'll notice that the interface is in Chinese. Make sure to translate the page into English for easier navigation. Next, click on Login. You'll now see the login page where you can either sign in using your personal phone number, or if you prefer, obtain a temporary phone number. To do this, open a new tab and search for temporary phone number. Then click on the second website listed in the search results. On this site, you'll find phone numbers from multiple countries. I highly recommend selecting a USA number. Pick the most recent one available if any. For example, I'll go with the one listed as 16 minutes ago. Simply tap on it and copy the entire phone number, excluding the +1, which is the USA country code. Now return to the AI tool, select USA as the country code, and paste the copied number into the phone number field. After that, click on Get Verification Code, complete the CAPTCHA by sliding to verify, and wait for the code to be sent to your temporary number. Go back to the temporary phone number site, click Update Latest SMS to refresh the messages, and copy the verification code you receive. Head back to the AI tool, paste the code, agree to the privacy policy by checking the box, and finally click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of AI tool options on the right-hand side, such as AI Search, AI Drawing, AI Reading, and many others. To create a video, click on Ying AI. Next, import your first image into the tool. In the video description box, simply type animate, and then click on the arrow button to start the video generation process. The tool typically takes about 3 to 6 minutes to create one video, and please note that you can only process one task at a time. After your first video is complete, continue uploading your remaining images one by one, following the same steps. The best part is that you can generate unlimited videos without any credit restrictions. So feel free to process as many as you want, one after another. After generating your AI videos in ChatGLM, simply download each video one by one to your device. Once all your videos are downloaded, we can move on to the next step, adding background music to make your video more engaging and professional. Go over to the YouTube audio library, browse through the collection, and download any track you like. Super easy and completely free. Or, if you want to use trending sounds from Shorts, just go to the specific YouTube channel, pick one of its Shorts videos, tap on Share, and copy the video link. Next, open your browser, search for YouTube Shorts to MP3, and click on the first link that pops up. Now, paste the video link into the box, click on Get Link, and download the audio file directly. No need to worry about copyright issues here. These tracks are widely reused by many creators and generally safe to use. Once that's done, now let's move on to the final step, editing the video. For editing, I'll be using CapCut since it's one of the most popular and easy to use editors out there. First, open CapCut and click on Create Project. Now, import all 10 of your AI-generated animated video clips. Drag them into the timeline and arrange everything in the correct order. Go through each clip and trim or adjust them as needed to fit your style. Next, import the background music you downloaded earlier. Trim it to match the length of your video. Now it's time to add some smooth transitions between the clips to make the video flow more naturally. CapCut offers plenty of built-in transitions you can choose from. After that, to remove the watermark, simply click on each clip and slightly increase its scale. This will push the watermark outside of the video frame. Or, if you want to learn how to completely remove watermarks for free, make sure to check out my next video where I show you a simple watermark remover tool that works perfectly. Once you're happy with the final result, simply export your video in high quality. Make sure to select 60 FPS for a smoother viewing experience, which works great especially for shorts and reels. Thanks so much for watching and supporting the channel. It really means a lot.